control flow in C. This specify the order in which computations are done. That is, whenever there is a need of some control to be given in a program, then we need control flow. That is, if there is a need for some decision making, then we need these control flow state. So the different control flow statements are if with if we want we can use nested if else if and switch. Now here with the if you want you can take else is optional, like depending on the situation we can use else part. First we will see the use of if statement. If is used to make decision. Here we will see the syntax. If expression opening curly braces and statement 1 statement 2 inside the curly brackets. Next else if there are any statement to be executed for else side. If this expression is evaluated and if the value is a non-zero, that is if it is true, then the statements inside the if block will be executed, and if the expression of if is evaluated to false, then the else part will be executed. Here expression can be x equals to 0, comma I plus plus, comma printf. When these expressions are followed by a semicolon, then they are considered as a state. X is equal to 0, semicolon, I plus plus, semicolon, printf function, semi. So these are considered as state, and these statements are written inside the if block, whether a single statement or a multiple state. Depending on the situation, the block, the body of if is coded. Group of statements together can be placed inside the if using the curly bracket. Suppose if we have to write a single statement for if, then there is no need to use the curly bracket, right? And here else is optional. That is, if you are not writing the else part in your program or code, and suppose the if expression evaluates to false, then the compiler will come out of the if and it will execute the remaining program. Right, now we will see an example for this if state. Right, here we will declare two integer variables a and b, and here we are assigning value 2 to a and value 4 for. Now we will write the if, and in this the expression we will give it here as a is less than b, and here the body for if inside the curly bracket. Here what happens when this seventh line will be executed? If the expression of if statement, that is a is less than b, is true, then only it will execute the printf, that is the seventh line, right? That is if is executed as the if expression is evaluated to true. Now here if you want you can write the else part, or else directly the compiler will come out of the if and it will execute the remaining program if you have any of the printf statements in the remaining, or else we can write the else. When this else will be executed? When the expression of if becomes false, right? When it is evaluated to false, then else will be x. Now we will execute and see the out. So here you can see the output. A is less than b, that is 2 is less than 4, so the if is expression is evaluated to true and it will execute the seventh line, that is if is executed and the if expression is true. Now here we will give some other condition like a is equal to 2. This is nothing but it compares the value of a with 2, and this is the logical and this is the another expression. So if both the expressions are true, then only this logical and will return true, and if will become true. So here once again we will see the output. A is equal to 2, it is true, and A is less than B, that is 2 is less than 4. Both are true. Both the expressions are evaluated to true. Therefore, if becomes true and the seventh line will be executed. Now suppose here if A is equal to 2 and A is greater than B. Here the first expression is true, but the second expression is evaluated as false. That is, A is greater than B. 2 is greater than 4 is false. So here the output will be else is in the output. That is, else is executed as if expression is false. That is, A is equal to 2 is true, but A is not greater than. So the logical AND will give you the false. So the if becomes false. Right. So in this video we have seen in detail about the control flow in C and why it is used, and the definition and syntax for if else, and an example program on if. In the next videos we will see about nested if else, if ladder, and the switch. Right. So subscribe to this channel and share it, like it, and if you have any doubts, if you want to clear any of your doubts regarding this particular topic, then write down in the comments.